Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Google Meet app history after device change, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your Google Meet app history after changing devices, begin by ensuring you have both devices accessible. On your old device, open the Google Meet app. Tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Here, find the Meet History section. You should see the option to sync your history with your Google account. Make sure this setting is enabled. Now, on your new device, download and install the Google Meet app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in using the same Google account linked to your old device. After signing in, your Meet history should automatically sync. To confirm the synchronization, check the Meet history within the app. You should see all your previous meetings and chat history available. If you do not see the history immediately, wait a few moments for the sync process to complete. In case of any issues, ensure both devices have a stable internet connection. You may also need to check app permissions if the history does not appear. That's it. Your Google Meet app history is now successfully transferred to your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.